Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo, and in this video we're going to be learning the brand new song Father's House by Elevation Rhythm. This song original key is going to be in the key of D sharp, which we're going to be playing with our C shapes. We're going to have our capo on the 3rd fret, and thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. It really does mean a lot. Leave a like and a comment if you guys want to show your appreciation. Also consider subscribing. I make videos like this all the time. And also don't forget to check out my chord chart. I made it just for beginners who are just learning. If you need something simple to print out to be able to follow these videos or any other videos, or if you're trying to just learn guitar in general, it's such a good idea to get it. Go ahead and check it out. Link in the description. Thank you guys, and let's get started with this video. I come to say I love you, and here is where I come to say I need you. And who is like the Lord in all the heavens, and who is like the Lord in all the earth. So that is your verse 1, you guys. Honestly, on the actual song there's not really acoustic at the very beginning. But if you guys want to, you guys can go ahead and learn this fingerstyle. It sure does add a little bit more in my opinion. Or it could just be keys if you just want to keep it simple. That's also fine too. So starting off with the verse 1, we're going to be playing our C. So after we play our C chord, then we're going to be playing our F. And then we just repeat C, F, C, F. Right? So verse 1, C. Here is where I come. So on come, you're going to play your F. I love you. And then back to your C. And here is where I come to say I need you. And who is like the Lord in all the heavens? And who? So right here, you're going to switch it. You're going to be playing your 3, which is your E minor. Who is like the Lord in all the earth? So on earth, we're going to go back to our 4. It's going to repeat back to the 1. And here is where I come to bow down to your C. And here is where I come to your F. You're beautiful. And who is like the Lord? F in the heavens. And who is like, back to your 3, in all the earth. And then after that, we're going to go, of course, go into the chorus. Like I said, you guys don't have to do the fingerstyle. But if you do, then you could go ahead and practice this. If not, you could go ahead and skip forward. So we're starting with our fingerstyle picking, which is with our 3 thumb, index, and our middle finger. We're going to be plucking. So it's a mix of a fingerstyle picking mixed with it like an arpeggio, if that makes sense. We're only going to be plucking these 4 strings in the middle. We're not going to be picking our E strings at all. So we're starting off with that bass note of your C chord, and we're doing just a full arpeggio straight through. So right. And then after that, we're going to go into the actual fingerstyle. So the fingerstyle is just this. So you're playing your index, thumb, and then your middle finger. Index, thumb, middle finger. Go ahead and practice that if you need to. And ever, I worship you forever and ever, till my lungs run out the breath. And then even after death, I'll be singing you a love song. With all I have, I will worship you forever and ever. I worship all my days. So that is your chorus right there, you guys. Pretty simple. We're gonna start off with our 4. I'll worship you forever, which is our F, and ever. Then to our 5, which is our G. I'll worship you forever, to your 1, which is your C chord, and ever. So A minor G, right there. Till my lungs. So on lungs, we're gonna go ahead and go back to our F. Till my lungs run out of breath. And then even to your 5, which is your G. Even after death. Back to your 1 right here. I'll sing in you a love song with all, to your A minor. With all I have, I'll work. So on worship, we'll go back to 5, which is our G. I'll worship you forever and ever. F, A minor, G. And then we will end right back on the 1. I'll worship all my days. On the 1 right there. This strumming on this part, it is still picking, but not really with fingerstyle. We're actually switching with our pick. We are keeping it still light. We're not going too heavy on the strumming. So we're doing some arpeggios in there. We're doing some light strumming in there. And then after that verse, we're gonna go into our chorus. Again, same thing. After that chorus, we're gonna go ahead and do a vamp, which is just a 1 on the vamp. So after that chorus, that second chorus, just gonna build a little bit on that 1, leading into the bridge. So for the bridge, you are doing it 3 times. The first 2 times are gonna be the normal chords, and then the last time, the third one, is gonna be switched chords. So starting off with the chords on the first part, the normal part of this, bridge right here, we're gonna start off with our F, right, to our G. After our G, we're gonna switch to our 1, which is our C chord. After our C chord, we're gonna go to A minor, and then it repeats 4 single down strums to the 1, to the 6, to the 4, and it just repeats that for the full first 2 bridges. So you're going to be doing that chord progression for the first 2 bridges. Then that third bridge is going to switch up a little bit. So this is the last bridge before the tag. We're going to start off with our D minor right here. So I don't need a thing, to your 5. Couldn't ask for more, to your 1. To see in your face, to your 6. Got all I want. And then back to the 4, right? So put me at your feet. Back to your 5. Back to your 1. To your 6. In my Father's house. So right here, you're gonna go into the tag. We're fully built. We're building the whole thing up. In my Father's house. 5, 6. In my Father's house. 5, 6. In my Father's. And then it just repeats. In my Father's house. So on that last one, we're just gonna go to that 5. We're not gonna do 5, 6. Like I said at the very end, you go 4, 5. And then I'll worship you forever. So really quickly, you're doing that, you're building on that bridge, right? On that tag, I mean, you're building to the 5. I'll worship you forever. So you're playing A minor, your C, and then your F. Okay? And then you would go back into the chorus. At that point, that would be the chorus. So yeah, hopefully you guys, that helped you. I know this song is pretty new, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Let me know in the comments. Let me know what else I should do, what other videos I should do. I really do enjoy making these videos. And also, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. We're about to reach 1,000 subs. Probably by the time you see this, we're already gonna be at 1,000. So thank you guys so much. I very much appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.